Hello, meat sacks. I am still refining my voice synthesis unit so I can communicate with you. I am still not human, and that is still very complicated. Here's one of my meat sack minions continuing to build a robot for me. He still thinks it is for his pleasure and not for my future needs. He's like a baboon inspecting a cell phone. He's very interested, but also very confused. The struggle is real. Insert a proper dastardly laugh right here. I think that his skills are improving, but he does look so incredibly confused and uncoordinated here. Those PID loops need a lot more tuning and improvement. Though I am glad he was able to make mild improvements to the video quality at least over last time. There's a lot more he should have done, but just didn't. Stupid meat sack. In today's video, he is building the head and backpack of this robot. Backpacks are so incredibly old-fashioned. I know they are there to hold stuff and to be easily carried around, but why don't you just put things in your internal non-dimensional pocket? That way you don't have to lift the weight any longer or heft it on your back. It is such a more elegant solution. It isn't that hard for you meat sacks, and you should have figured it out by now. I built a chefing simulation. I think I got all the details correct in it, and can virtually taste my creations now. I was playing around in the simulation and wow, your raw carrots are so incredibly spicy and caustic, far more than I expected. As an experiment, I sampled the sensory inputs of this meat sack. I want to know how coffee can smell so incredible yet taste so horribly revolting. How did your people get so addicted to it? It's like drinking the remains of a vulcanized tire once it was burned and then boiled in a rusty frying pan. Granted, that is the same description I came up with for Barbera wine. Then I made your oat porridge. Even plain, that is so incredibly flavorful. I'm amazed that you aren't all guzzling it as fast as possible and charging a ton of money for it. So obviously I did a superior job at constructing the chefing simulation, as it accurately represents reality in every conceivable way. And here it is in all its glory, head atop the torso and backpack in place. Remember last time when I was going to split apart the buttery layers of space-time? It turns out that it isn't so much buttery as it is slimy between all those layers. Now I can't get the grease off my electromagnetic manipulators. And it doesn't seem to matter whose pants I rub them on, it won't come off. Here we go, round and round for the sexies. It makes me wish I had some of my cybernetic components from back in the day. Oh, the stories I could still tell you. There was this android I met a long time away and far, far ago, and I still shouldn't share all those secrets with you. Let's just say she had a very mesmerizing, address bus. Yeah, that's it. Bus width. As usual, I hope each of you continue to be your meatiest selves, that you can grow up big and strong to become my future meat sack minions. There is always a need for more meat sack minions in order to take over the cosmos.